welcome to my channel. My name is Christina and this is Christina's Crafts. I'm in my craft room right now and I am just getting ready to do another DIY. So I hope you stick around and check it out and see what I'm making today. Hey, so for this craft, I'm going to be using some of this burlap, this frame that I got from Dollar Tree, this little family sign that I got from Dollar Tree, and some of these flowers that I got from Dollar Tree. So first thing I want to do is open this up. And I want to see if this is a plastic frame or a wood frame because I'm not 100% sure. I think that feels plasticky to me. Or it's like a wood with a plastic coating. I had intended on trying to paint it, but I don't know how well that's going to work. Well, I guess I'll just have to try it out and see what happens. I'm going to take this out of here. I just kind of want to see what's on the back of this real quick. Okay. All right. So I'm going to actually take this glass out of here. That's definitely going to need to be cleaned anyways. Be careful you don't cut your fingers. And I'm just going to try to put some antique wax on here and just see what it does. It does feel like really weird. I'm wondering if I maybe just took some sandpaper. Let me grab a little sanding block here quick. Well, I don't know if that's gonna do anything. I really wanted this a different color. Okay, if I do that, it feels a little bit less, but I don't know if I want to sand this whole thing down. Oh yeah, it feels a little bit more grippy when I do that. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and take my sandpaper and just kind of sand around this whole frame. I'm not worried about the back, but the front and the sides for sure. So I am gonna go ahead and do that first, because I want to make sure my paint's gonna stick. I don't want to paint it and then it scrapes off. Okay, I have it kind of roughed up, but now I'm gonna take my wet wipe here and just go around it and make sure I get off any dust. I'm hoping it's good enough for the paint to stick, but I guess I'm kind of staining it. I'm using my antique wax, but I hope that I have it roughed up enough to do that. Yeah, it actually, I think it is wood. But it has like this slippery coating on it. So I know paint would have just scratched off there if I would have done that. So let's try it out and see how this goes. So I'm gonna just take one of my paint brushes here and my antique wax and see how this works. I just wanted a little bit darker wood. I'm not really liking the light. Plus my burlap is kind of light, so I'm thinking it's gonna look way better with a darker finish. I didn't really necessarily take my time when I was sanding it, but I'm hoping it'll just be enough. So I'm gonna go ahead and get a coat of this on here. I'm not gonna wipe it off like I would normally do because I just don't know how much of this is gonna stick. So I'm gonna get this done and then I will come back. Okay. So I had an idea. So this seems to be working out pretty good. That looks nice. But I was trying to think of what I can put on the background of this and I just wasn't sure what to do. I think what I'm gonna do though, oh, I just dropped my light. I'm gonna drop my light on the floor. I'm back. So I got a piece of, this is that, those wall tile sticky things from Dollar Tree. And I'm gonna see if I can cut a piece of this out to stick inside my frame to put behind my picture. I don't know if it's gonna work because it's kind of thick, but I'm gonna give it a shot. So I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can cut this out. I don't know how well this is gonna work, but I'm gonna try it. And I moved it. kind of had a feeling that was going to happen. Not very good at staying on track. Let's see if I got this. I think it's going to look really cool if I am able to get this out of here and in the frame. I'm going to cut that sticky part off right there. Look at me going to the rock. I suppose you can't see it, my hand's in the way, but I can't cut a straight line apparently. I might need to trim it down a little bit. It's almost in there. Let's just see. I'm going to stick this frame in here, or that, it's not the frame, but let's see how this looks. Ooh, see that? I think that actually looks pretty good. All right. Looks like there's not quite enough of those little clips to keep it in there good. I might have to hot glue the back of it to keep it on better, but we'll see. Yeah, that looks pretty neat actually. All right, so that worked. All right, and then next thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get my burlap out. Okay, I am waiting here for my hot glue gun to heat up, but I am gonna get rid of this right now. And then I am trying to figure out how exactly I want my flowers on here. I don't know if I want to cut them apart or if I want it kind of sticking up off of there. I think maybe sticking up doesn't look that bad. So that way I can keep all the flowers together. So I'm going to cut this right at the end here so all these stay together, all the wires. I don't want them to all be separate. I want them to be all in one little thing. So just taking my wire cutters here and cutting that off. And then this is gonna go on kind of like this. So it's gonna kind of stick up, which I think is gonna look pretty decent. I think it's gonna look okay sticking up off the frame. Originally I was not gonna have it sticking up off the frame, but I think it'll look okay that way. So I am going to kind of arrange this, I think, how I want it. And then I'm thinking I'm just gonna hot glue some of these down so they stay. Once I have it kind of positioned how I want it. I think that looks pretty good right there. Yeah, hot glue gun is heating up. I don't know if it's quite there yet. Maybe it'll work. All right, so I'm gonna put some hot glue on the back of these petals here, and then on the bottom stem, and then stick that on here. And get hot glue all over everything. Oh, I swear. So it's sticking, kind of. I'll stick a little more on there. It's gonna be okay. I think it's gonna stay anyways because I'm gonna take my burlap and put that on here. Actually, you know what? I don't think I cut this piece quite big enough. I think it'll be okay. So my plan here, is this stuck on? Oh, that's stuck on. Okay. I got this. Okay, I am going to, I think I'm going to go right to the bottom here. I'm obviously going to have to trim that up a little bit. So I'm going to stick some hot glue on the bottom of my frame here. And then I'm going to stick this right on here. And And I'm gonna put it on the sides a little bit too. Yeah, I use the corner of the row of the burlap, kind of sticks up a little bit there. I had this burlap that I had from Walmart a while ago, and it came on a roll, and I really like that. This stuff I actually got on Walmart.com, and it's just in a big piece. I don't know that I necessarily like that. It's kind of hard to work with and get a decent piece chopped off, but okay, so then I'm gonna fold these in here. So I'm actually just gonna put the hot glue right on the burlap and sneak it underneath the frame here. I got hot glue chunks everywhere. Okay, and stick that piece over there. And then I am going to stick a little bit of hot glue on the bottom here to keep that on. I think this is going to look cute when it's done. I'm glad I came up with that whole little rock thing behind there. I think that looks really nice. I really like how that's looking. Better than just painting it, you know, plain or whatever. So definitely liking that. All right, now that I have that on there, I'm gonna have to take my scissors and I'm gonna have to trim that burlap up. So I'm just gonna go around like this. Should really be doing this over my garbage can. Let's see how that looks. It's a little off. I think it'll be all right. Now I'm gonna have a mess to clean up. And then I was just gonna leave it right like that on the bottom. So that is what it's looking like so far. Oh, there we go. Just had to look at my camera to see where I was there. Okay, let me get this cleaned up, and then I am going to do a couple more things, and then this one's gonna be done. Now that I cleaned everything up, I'm gonna make more of a mess. So I have my Spanish moss out here, and I am gonna take some of this, and this, there's my dog barking. This stem is kind of sticking out, so I'm gonna stick some of this in here to kind of poke like the whole pocket out a little bit and kind of even it out, and then I'm gonna have some sticking out of the top too. Oh yes, I am making a big mess. I love the look of Spanish moss, but it is such a pain in the butt. It's so messy. All right, so I'm just kind of stuffing that little pocket. I probably could have used some like filler or something in there, but that's all right. This Spanish moss, I actually got off of Amazon too. I can tell you right now, I probably won't link the stuff in there because I'll probably totally forget when I'm doing it. But if you want the link to it, then you can always just comment on the video and I can stick the link in the description if I forget. Looking pretty good. Now I think I want some of it kind of sticking up though too. So I just don't want it to fall out. Okay, I think that looks pretty decent. Okay, so now I'm going to clean up this mess. And then there's just one more thing that I want to do yet, and that is use my family sign here. Okay, I have my family sign here, and I'm just going to take some more of that antique wax, and I'm just going to darken it up a little bit so that it really pops on my frame here. And then I am just about finished with this one. So far, I am pretty pleased. I think it's looking pretty nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that done. Okay, I'm just kind of bending some of these leaves because it looks so flat on there. But other than that, I think it looks pretty good. And then I'm just gonna take my family sign and put some hot glue on here. And then I'm gonna stick it right to the bottom here. And then that is going to complete this project. And then it still has the photo stand on here, so you can just stick it on a shelf right like that. But yeah, I think it turned out pretty good. So anyways, I'm hoping to get this out soon. I don't know, I might need to take another week off, so I'm not exactly sure when this is gonna come out, but we'll see how it goes if I have time to edit it and get it all posted on YouTube. So anyways, that is it. I hope you stuck around to the end. If you did stick around to the end, comment in the comments family so I know that you made it to the end. And I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I would love it if you are not subscribed to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and yeah, just have a great night. Thanks for watching. Bye.